Kat bakari Bangladesh kadang penkrea ek election ke bakat lai ke banlong haka kat arterek urempang arazar arbun rio. Kesorkan Meghalaya kala Pynkhlain ke Jingpahara habero kat jaka Khappud ban khangla de ke jingrung bean bat ki kam bean. Ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills rengkat baga border security force kila perking bahai ke Jingpahara hagi jaka ke bakham shongsir ni ke basuk bandrung bean. Kani ke jing kemi ibnia akalong ban khanglat ya ki nongrung bean bat ban telakam ya ki kam khai bean kam tam ki kali ki bejurung bean cha Bangladesh ke por election. Superintendent ki pulit ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek sia mula kedau baga jing penkre kelas sedang nadu ubnai no opera. Hadeng ke jingalang bat menteri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma. Bala betha ya ki thanat ki badan hakathan Khappud kum kamosen ram shela bat penursla banlong ki bapikir bat badan ke jinge trilang ke berhenti bat ka border security force. Namar ka jingjur ka jingtu iki thuk ki ba jushalan tu sa Bangladesh. La seng ya ki multi-purpose checkpoint hamalak checkpoint ban khanra bnia. Superintendent ki pulit lero iki village defense party ki balong kamati ke bahkamat ya ban ai kubor bat ban pahara ki shnong ki bajengai. Ula kedau bah kini gisngi kini ki village defense party ki lele ke kamram ke bakrau ban penne ke jingshok shngan kum ke jingada ya ki shnong ki thau.
We have about three police stations which are actually in our border. One is Mausanram, the other is Shela, and the last one is Punusla. So, uh, so there's close coordination with the PSF to tackle infiltration, to tackle border crimes, and there are MCPs set up in many places. And the joint checking of BSF and state police has been done together. Time to time also the tactical teams move down there to ensure there's no infiltration of any subversive elements. We are in close touch with the local stakeholders from those places. They uh, uh, have been actually we've been having meetings with them, especially VTP meetings. We've been creating more VTPs, more awareness, more liaisoning and joint patrolling between VTPs and police in those places as they are far flung. And the importance of VTP we have seen, especially just in the recent few days, also where people have been accused of witchcraft. Here we say Machana, whereby VTP has have been, in fact, the first saving line of defense. They have saved lives. They have been the people who actually have gone to the place of occurrence first. They have ensured that person accused or this or victim per se is not hurt, touched until the police comes, or not allowing anybody to take the law into their own hands. So VTP has been very helpful. They've been helping us in vice raids in those places, in providing information of any form of infiltration, of any form of criminal activity. We are encouraging more VTPs. We are working hand in hand, and we'll continue to strengthen and work together with our VTPs. See, the preparedness, we are on full alert. This, in fact, in December only, we had already had a meeting with our Honorable Chief Minister about this. And since then, we've been intensifying our patrols. There's checking every night, every day, on not only infiltrators coming from down there or any subversive elements, but also people, say like bike thieves is one. A lot of bikes being taken to Bangladesh and all that. So we have checking for that. So that checking is a multi-purpose checkpoint in every thana, and we are intensifying our patrols out there. And there's a lot of coordination with the PSF in terms of mobile checkposts and patrolling. See, the existing police stations and the tactical teams have been given the instruction to actually prioritize the border, move for routine patrols, and also for random surprise patrols along with PSF in the border. So those steps and measures.